G'day guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your cover on your Clearview mirrors from black to chrome or from chrome to black. Same process. It's the same process for next gen and compact. Let's get started. All you need is Phillips head drill bit and a flathead screwdriver. First we'll start off with a flathead screwdriver. What you want to do is from the bottom of the top glass, push the bottom corner in. Then we want to get in behind the glass, and there'll be a little tab. It's a little round tab between the glass and the actuator, and you want to get between the glass and the actuator and pry towards the glass. You want to be careful and not smash the glass, so gentle movements, and it should come away freely. Now, we recommend not unplugging anything from the back of the glass. Leave it all connected. Leave it dangling just there. So the 4 tabs that I was talking about are these 4 here. So 2 at the bottom each corner and 2 at the top in each corner. Then from here we've got 4 screws to remove. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and there's actually one more screw just behind this bottom glass. So from this outside top corner, just push it down and out. And we'll get that one first, so it just hides behind that glass. So that's 1. So that's 2. Do not lose these screws, you do need them again. 3 and 4. Alrighty. So then from here, it's a little bit easier if you go from the top. So you get your flathead screwdriver again, and you just want to slightly peel away the faceplate. Get your screwdriver underneath the bottom of the cover there. You'll feel one clip come up, move along the edge, should feel the others release, move down the side. Remember being careful, not too much force. You'll feel another clip, move it down again, and there's one more clip down the bottom here. So once you get all 4 clips undone, simple as pulling out and then reversing the process. So I have my chrome cap here, chrome. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to line these bottom tabs here with 2 holes at the back there. So I line them up, slot them in. You want to start from this bottom corner. You want to get that groove tucked behind the faceplate, and then just apply pressure along the edge. You'll feel them all clip in. Then you want to put your screws back into place. Being careful not to over torque these because you can split the plastic. Just hand tight or to the first notch on your drill. Alrighty, so I've got all 4 screws back in. I'll then readjust this bottom one. Now, when putting on this top one, we do recommend getting a microfiber cloth, putting it on the face of the glass. It's where your hand's going to be. These 2 springs here, you want to get them in these grooves just up here. So you want to slot them in. You'll sort of feel it want to sit, and once you feel it sort of sit and not resist, you're actually wanting to squeeze the whole mirror. So push the glass and push from the back of the mirror and squeeze. And you should hear 1 great big click or 4 little clicks. It'll be one or the other. If you're even with your pressure, you'll hear 1 big click. If you're a bit uneven with your pressure, you might hear 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, and then just wipe it down. And there's one last step. The last step is from the actual cover side. In the top corners, top left and right corner, you do just want to put a little bit more pressure just to make sure it is clipped in properly, which I am. So that's it. That's how you change your covers.